Let's be honest. Protecting sills from the grit, grime and beating they take during construction has been a pain in your ass. We get it, so we did something about it. Now you can say sod off to dirty boots and wheelbarrows damaging your newly installed door sills, and say hello to the Altus Window Sill Protector. It's the simple and super cost-effective way to keep your site and reputation in good nick. Using the Altus Window Sill Protector couldn't be easier. Just click it into place. And for only $25 to $30 per opening, each Altus Windows 35mm system is protected. Job done. They're strong, durable, weatherproof, and better still, subcontractor-proof. Plus, they don't interfere with access or function of the door mechanics, so no need to remove at the end of the day and replace each morning, and you can work around them as usual. When the job's finished, removing them is easy, and you've saved cleanup time and repair costs too. Plus, they're 100% recyclable. And most importantly, they leave the sills the way they should be, as good as new. Consider it a low-cost insurance policy that could potentially save thousands of dollars of damage, a small price to pay for peace of mind. Available now from your Altus Window Systems supplier. Altus Windows, sharing your vision.